Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Tea Lover. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest update over here. So we are getting a back-to-back ransomware attack on your PC. The main reason behind this attack is you have just installed something from the untrusted site, or you have just allowed something on your Chrome. So your file will be converted on the dot something extension. So this is the type of ransomware virus. Okay, so in this video I'll just show you how you can go for the data recovery and completely remove these things from your computer. Okay, so I have just provided that data recovery tool in my site. You can just visit my this site over here. So I'll just provide this site link in the description below. Okay, so this is the .zzla file virus over here. So I have just provided you some tips over here how you can remove and how you can recover your data. So for that, the first thing, when you get the virus attack on your computer, you have to just put your computer in the safe mode. For putting your computer in the safe mode, just you have to move to the source part over here. Just type run command. Okay, so here you can get run, or you can just go for the Windows plus R key. Okay, so the run tab will appear over here. So in the run tab, you will type msconfig. So this is the command over here. Okay, when you go for OK, there is an option boot over here. Okay, so in that boot option you can see safe boot option. So just click on the safe boot and go with the network. If you do not select network, then you are not able to LAN or Wi-Fi on your computer. It means that you are not connected to the network. Many viewers are having this problem. Then so please watch the full tutorial video and go for it, so you can connect this PC with the LAN or Wi-Fi. Okay, so just click on the apply and click on the OK. Okay, so the same thing will appear over here, but you'll just see the safe boot option in this Windows background. Okay, now the next thing you have to do is just you have to move to the my computer. You have to just move to the local disk C. Just select the window, scroll down, so you will find the system32. Click on it. After clicking on the system32, just scroll down again and you can find a driver over here. Okay, to see the driver, just go for it and you can see a etc. Now in that etc, you can find a host over there. Just click this file. Now you have to open this host with the notepad. Click on notepad and go. So if you have some IP just below this #1 localhost, then this IP will be traced by the ransomware. So you have to just remove this IP and save this host with the same address. Okay, so do not make any mistake on the host. Just remove the IP just below the #1 localhost. Okay, after removing it, you can install an antivirus on your PC. Okay, I suggest you to use the Quickkill Antivirus Pro over here. Okay, so you can just go for here and type Quickkill Total Security download. Just click on it. Now you can see the download Quickkill option in the first link. Click on it and you are able to download the Quickkill from the official site. Okay, so this is the official site. You can get the 1 month free trial over here. So it will remove all your viruses from your computer. Okay, so just click on the download. So as you see that setup has been downloaded, just double click over it. So it is extracting. Now it will download all the setup. Just click on the download. So I want to tell you that if you have just some file in your local disk C or desktop, then it has minimum chances to be recovered. But if you have file on the local disk D or external hard drive, then you can easily recover drive. Mainly the photos are recovered 100%, and other documents are recovered gradually as according to the computer system configuration and data that you have stored in your computer and the volume of the hard drive also. Okay, these all things matters to get your file back. Okay, so I'm just installing the Quickkill over here and I'll show you how you can get this free 1 month trial to remove all the viruses from your computer. So I always suggest you to not to download any crack software from the untrusted site. If you need an trusted site, then you can just contact me through any medium, either Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Insta or WhatsApp. So I have just provided this all link in the website here, or I have just provided that all links in my channel also, so you can go through it and contact me in this medium over. So as you see that our setup has been just about to complete over here. When it get completed, it will automatically open over here. As you see, just click on the yes. So now the setup has been run over here. Okay, so it is preparing for the installation process. Okay, so initializing installer, it takes some time. Don't panic. okay. So we can just get some data. I want to tell you that something is better than nothing, because if you have to just pay for the ransomware, then they will take about $900 over there. So it is too expensive and we can't get that things from them, okay. So I'm just providing a trick by which you can just collect your some data and restore them again. So as you see that I have just received an virus alert over here, okay. So if you have any virus, then you to automatically detect over here and you can just go for the continue. So just click on the I accept and go for next. The installation is in the progress, it takes some time. So as you see that the installation has been completed and you can just go for the register now, okay. So now just click on the next. Now you have to just fill up the short information over here to get this free 1 month trial. So just click on the next. Now you have to just fill this detail over here. As you see that I have just completed this information, so now just click on the next. So now you have seen that we are ready to activate. Just click on the next. It is being activated. Now see, the quick heal is activated in our system. It will automatically delete all the viruses from my computer. Now we'll go for the data recovery option. So for that, so I have a tool over here and its name is Stellar Data Recovery, okay. So I have just provided this link in my site over here. So you can just go for this download option and you can download. So for cracking this tool, just go for the crack, and so you have to know your system bit, okay. So select your system bit. So now we have to move in the dir folder. Just copy this. So just get back one step and just paste over here outside. So as you see that you can see this 4 file over there, okay. So just select this, copy this, and now you have to move to the Stellar Data Recovery, okay. Right click over there and open file location. So just you have to paste this, okay. So and replace this file. So I have already replaced it, I am not going for it, okay. Now you will crack your software, okay. So just run it, okay. So this is the interface of this software. So in this thing you have to just select only one option over here, so don't click everything. So if you want photo, just click for photos, or audio, just go for audio, and video, just go for video, or you want document, then just go for the document only at a time, okay. So I'm just clicking at the photos for the demo. So just click on the next, okay. Now you have to just select the drive over here. I need that photo from local disk D. So just click on your disk. So before going for scan, just enable the deep scan over here, okay. So just go for the scan. So it takes a lot of time over here. This thing will take according to your size of your hard disk or space, okay. So just go for it. After doing this thing, all thing will be done over here. Now you will see a option over here like this, okay. Scanning complete successfully. So now you have to just close this all panel, okay. So just after closing this panel, you can look, you can get the recover file in the raw data over here. So just don't go for this folder, just expand this raw data and you can just in this raw data, okay. So in this way you have to just select this recover option. So you have to just select the different type from where you have just recover your data. So for example, if you have just recover data from C, just go for the D to save your file, okay. So after doing that, just select your folder and start to save. So in this way you can recover your data. If you have any problem regarding this tutorial video, then you can contact me through the tlover2054 in Instagram directly. I'll just reply for you as fast as I can, okay. So if you just need some help, you can just DM me in tlover2054. So thank you for your support. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.